Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how in an easy way put image into a shape or how to crop an image into a shape. And we are going to use Canva for this purpose. So in order to do that, of course, you need to log in into your Canva, and in the upper right corner we are clicking create design, choosing whatever you want. I will just go for a LinkedIn post because I'm using a lot of Canva lately for my LinkedIn posts and LinkedIn purposes. And as things will load, we are going to need two things. First of all, we are going to need elements, which is not that obvious, I would say, but this is a different story. And we are going to need uploads. So you are going to need element and you are going to need your picture or any other picture that you want. And let's go for elements and scroll down and go for frames. And the frame is the one that you are going to need for this one. And if you put the frame on, you can choose how big you want this to be. Let's say that I would like this to be, let's say, around a quarter of this image. And I'm going to go to uploads to choose a picture. And of course you can click upload files if you would like to choose something from your desktop. But if you have already, like me, uploaded a couple of pictures here, then you can choose whichever you want. So let's go for a random picture of mine. And let's say that this is the one that I would like to have in this shape. And as you can see, I am not perfectly positioned in that picture, but this doesn't really matter. So let's just take this picture, resize it a little bit, right? And put it, just drag and drop it onto the shape. And here you go, you have the picture in the shape. But if you do not like the end result, what you need to do is that you need to double click on this image, and then you are going to access the picture that you have put in it. And let's resize me a little bit, right? And let's try to put it in a way that would suit my needs. Let's say that I would like to be in the middle of that, like this, and then click on any other area of the picture. And as you can see, I have a ready-made profile picture for Slack or Microsoft 365 or any other communicator that I would like to have, which looks pretty, I would say, decent. And what you need to do in order to save it, if you would like to have this particular picture without any other additions, because you can of course create a LinkedIn post here in the background, you click share in the upper right corner, and then you click download. Remember to choose the transparent background if you do not want anything in the background here, and probably if you are going for a profile pic, this is what you're looking for. You click download and boom, the picture is being downloaded to your hard drive. So if this video was useful to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you would like to get more info about Canva or any other pieces of software that are relevant for sales and marketing activities, do drop us a comment below and we will make sure to prepare something especially for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.